Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we are going to do a product review. So last video I shared to you that I'm experiencing health problem, and I ordered from the Life Pharmacy application the Trister here digital blood pressure monitor. So we will do product review for this, and we will check if this is working or not. So let's check now. Let's do it, mga kaboom. So ito na nga, let's open na, let's unbox. Oh, so there's free for what's a type of this battery. There's 4 free battery size AA here. So here's what's inside here. Love it. So here's the user's manual or user manual. Ayan. Okay. So it cost 145 dirhams. But since naka-promo siya, it only cost 99 dirhams. So 6-year warranty. Let's open na this one. Okay, OMG, I'm so excited. My best friend, here na. My best friend. Oh, Auto Excel. Patalastas. Ang inyong mapapunuan ay rated SPG. Charet. So ayan, ito siya. Bongga. So, dito natin lalagay yung battery at the back. So, 4 siya. And here's the ito yung yung parang foam niya. Yung nilalagay sa braso. So, let's put on na the battery. So, bumili ako nito kasi nga natatakot na ako sa aking blood pressure. So, I put already. Ayan, ito yung power supply. Sabi dito po, peel off. Ayan. You will remove this plastic cover sa power plug niya. Ayan. Okay. Now, so where's the power? Or it's automatic. So ayan. Ito na natin dito ipasok. Dito ata siya. Ayan. So how can I turn this on? So magbasa-basa tayo ng user manual para bongga, di ba? So there's no medical adapter for here. Right? So ayun, nag-start na siya, hindi ko na-record. See, it's so high! Oh my god. It's 144/100. So I need to take picture of this one. Masyado siya mataas. 144. Diba? So ayan. So since tanga-tanga tayo, patanga-tanga, hindi nagbabasa ng user manual, so sinuot ko na siya, ayan. So kailangan po relax tayo. Nilagay ko na yung aking kamay sa ibabaw ng lamesa. So we will start again. So yun na nga, na-high blood na si Bachelor. So ano mga dapat gawin? So ayun. Sinearch ko kay Doc Willie kung ano may mga dapat gawin ng isang high blood na tao. So ayun guys. Legit naman siya. It's working. So ayun, advice ko lang sa lahat na you also have to buy this one at home for emergency purposes and for monitoring purposes. Diba, iba na yung panahon ngayon. We're eating too much fast food, processed food, salty foods, and nabababad tayo sa gadgets, sa phones, no enough sleep, laging puyat, and no proper exercise. So at least we have this one to monitor our blood pressure. So yun lang guys, if you like this video, and I hope you like this one, so buy this digital blood pressure device, blood pressure monitor device, para happy tayo. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell and press the like button and share to your friends and families. And of course, ayun, thank you for your love and support. So ayun, health is wealth. So please, bili na kayo ng ganito. And ayun, once again, let's discover everything under the sun. I am Bombi and this is Discover Bombi. Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah! Love this. Thank you, Twister. Ayan. Pang thumbnail. Bye! Thank you. Mwah, mwah.